Hi folks, it's a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, and now with the advent of AI and my own kind of technical background, I've managed to build this secure SMS text messaging app for the Android phone. Unfortunately, I don't have it for the Apple iOS because if you know about Apple iOS, they charge you $100 a year and they might reject your app even if you pay the money. Where with Android phones you can just design the app and create an APK file, and you don't have to put it up on the Google Play Store. You can actually just send the file to people and install it on your phone. So this is an Android app, it's not an Apple iOS app, just to let you know. So basically what it is sends secure encrypted text messages to each other. So for friends and family and for a bit of fun, I developed this app. And so when you go into the app itself, you'll have a screen here which you can add in the names of the people that you want to put in the list. So there's two spots here, two little icons here at the top. The first one is the help screen. It tells you all about the app and how to use it and what it does. Okay. The second one, you click on the second one, allows you to type in the name and the phone number of the person that you want to send text messages to. Now, when you if you decide that you typed in the name and you did it wrong, you just hold your finger down on that and then it comes up here and you can actually edit the actual name if you want. So the idea is that you'll go into the person you typed in, and these are the options you have. You've send, encrypt or decrypt. So send will just send a normal text message and as you'd normally send a text message unencrypted. Encrypt sends the text message encrypted, and decrypt is when when somebody sends you an encrypted message and you need to decrypt it. So if we type in the word hello, HELLO, and we go encrypt, it asks us which SIM we want to use, because this app is designed to work with dual SIM phones. So by selecting which SIM you want to use to send the text, it will allow you to do that. So I'm selecting SIM 1. So then I'm going to type in the password. Now this password is important. This is a password that you share with the person you're going to send messages to, and that password should be unique between you and them. If you have other people you're sending messages to, have a different password for them, so it's all kept secure. So I'm going to type in the password as password. Type in to confirm again. Now, assuming I got that right and the two of them fields match, it will then send the text message to my other SIM. Now, you see the way I pressed there and it said password did not match. So now what I'll do is I'll just delete that top one. I'll type it in again. Big fingers, I'm afraid, folks. I'll type the bottom one in again. Now let's try send it again. Now that's sent. Okay, which is great. So we'll go back into our text messaging system here, and we'll see the message come up, and it tells us, it says the header there is, I'll just show you there, it says secure SMS, so you know where it's coming from. So when you put your finger on the message and you select copy and go back to the app will know that the header secure SMS needs to be removed, so it'll do that automatically. So what you do now is you've got an encrypted message you want to decrypt. So you click on the decrypt button, and you can see the message already in the box with the header removed, which is great because that saves messing about with having to delete the header. And it's now asking you to type in the password that you have agreed with the person. So I'm going to type in password. And I click decrypt. And there's the message there. So there's the message there, hello. We have a number of options now. We can peek at the message but keep the actual encryption locked. Or we can decrypt the message and have it showing permanently. We can reply, we can forward, and we can delete the message. Now, if you peek at it, it stays encrypted, but you can always go back into it and type in the password to view it again. Decrypted means it will stay decrypted and you'll be able to view it straight away. Reply is obviously to reply to it, forward, and then if you want to delete the message for security reasons, you can. So that's basically how the app works. And it does what it says on the tin. So what I'll do is I'm going to go back into it, and I'm going to see, it says, would you like to delete? No, I don't want to delete it. So let me see if I can press decrypt, and I'm going to decrypt it again and type in password. And there's the message there. So if I select decrypt permanent, now you can see it there. It's actually showing the message rather than keeping it hidden in the actual encrypted message there. So the other thing that you can do with this as well is that if you have a list of people and you want to send the same message to everyone, and obviously they'd all have to know the group password to access the message, you can actually select everybody, or you can select individuals or just one, and then there'd be a group password. They would all know the group password and you could send it to them. So there's loads of things you can do with the app, and I'm constantly developing it and making changes to it and all that kind of stuff. So this is an ongoing project, but it's a bit of fun and it works and it does what it says on the tin. I'm quite impressed with the AI technology, and obviously how it put it together. Obviously I had to spec this up and know exactly what I wanted it to do and how it should work, and the type of encryption. It's AES 256 military encryption, so it's highly secure. So I hope that helps you folks. If you're looking to get a copy of this app, I'm more than happy to give you a copy. Just leave a comment below with your email address and I'll send you a copy. But as I say, I'm not taking any responsibility if it starts making changes to your phone app or anything like that, okay? You use it at your own discretion, and it's not my responsibility what happens after that. But it's just an app, it just does work, but you have to say that. There has to be a disclaimer anyway, just in case some people are a bit funny like that. But there you go, folks. That's the Secure SMS Military Encrypted AES 256 text messaging app.